Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create an event on Outlook using a Mac computer in the year 2026 web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad and go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Microsoft Outlook and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now what we want to do is click the drop down menu that can allow us to create an event. Let's now increase the size of the event window. Let's just add a title. Let's just say this is a meeting. Let's now invite the required attendees, which will be Rayhan at ComputerScienceVideos.com. And let's now propose a time. Let's just say the 31st of March, 8 a.m. in the morning. Once we've selected that, we can see that everyone within this meeting will be available. We can have a message if we want to. Let's just now click on send, or we can send or save as a draft. And so that event itself has been sent. The event has been created. We have that in the sent items. The recipient should receive the email that we have on screen, and so the recipient can therefore click on the link or use the ID and passcode to join that meeting at that particular time, 8 a.m. in the morning. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.